we have seen in first video, that this ng app directive is actually going to create a boundary inside which my AngularJS code is going to work. Let me tell you that the technical term for this is actually known as implicit scope declaration, because with the help of ng app, we are defining the scope inside which my AngularJS code will work. Let's see something else in this video. Inside this same div tag, I'm going to add one input tag with the type equals to text, which is nothing but a text box. Now my goal is, whatever I'm going to type inside this text box, I want to bind that thing with this particular double curly braces. Now there is a term for this double curly braces also. Whatever you type in this double curly braces is actually known as expression of AngularJS. When we learn this AngularJS through this video series, I request, if you remember some terms, then it's easy for you to understand. Like this ng app is actually directive, and this double curly braces is expression. Now to connect this text box with this expression, I'm going to use one more directive, that is with the name ng model. ng model takes a name of the model, which is again user defined. So I'm just passing a simple name like ABC. Once I pass this thing, this ABC is actually that particular source which I can pass in my target when I want to do binding. So if you see, I'm just passing the same model name in my expression. Logically, now this input text box is connected with my expression, and whatever I'm going to type inside the text box is going to be visible in my UI. Let's run this page in a browser. If you see, the moment I type something inside this text box, is actually showing me that text in the right side section. Remember, when we type this thing, it's showing me on the spot, because in AngularJS, this is something which is a two-way binding kind of thing. So the moment your source is changed, it's going to reflect that thing in target. Coming back to this Visual Studio project, I hope you're getting this thing, that this ng model directive is actually providing a source when you do binding. And this source which I have provided in my ng model is actually reflecting the things in my target, which is my expression. Thank you.